One of my favorite parts of living in a van is when the sun starts going down. We get the lights on, we cook a little snack, and we get ready for bed. Today was really windy out, so there wasn't too much we could do other than sit in here and just watch the day go by. I took a nap. Mrs. Chico went through the food pantry and took an inventory of what we got. I think we're gonna head out to get some more provisions tomorrow morning because we're coming up on election day and all hell is gonna break loose. Or not. So we're just gonna pick up some extra water, some more proteins, and I have a dipstick on order that I'm gonna go pick up at the Ford Parts Center in town. But I was just thinking about how small the space is that we live in right now. I'm just sitting in my chair turned around, and that's the bed. We got an ottoman, another ottoman, and sink table here. But when you're doing van life and building out your rig, I would focus on making sure that you have a very comfortable place to sleep, because you're cramped up in here all day like today on a windy day and you can't really get out and do much. Your legs get all fatigued from being bent. It's nice to have a nice spot to sleep and stretch out all the way. I have the bed going from back to front where I used to have it going this way, and it gave me more room down here. But this way I can stretch all the way out, whereas if I had it flipped the other way, my head would be at this window, my feet would be at this window, and the way I sleep with the Jimmy legs, I would have kicked one of the windows out by now. So take into consideration, if you're gonna build out your van, make sure you get a good comfy bed, a good mattress. I'll leave the link to the mattress that I got, and we don't need much on there. We have 2 blankets when it gets cold, so it'll drop to the 40s and we're still good. It's been down to the just above freezing, 33, and we still managed without a heater. So you can do this without a heater with 2 blankets, and you go to bed with socks and pants and a shirt, well, pajamas as we call them. And we have made it through the heat wave without AC, so we survived 90 plus, and when it's 90 plus outside, it's over 100 in here. So I don't think I'm going to put the money into getting an AC unit in here. I was looking at some today, but we've managed.